Welcome back to the Crown Traders, everyone. We're going to explore one of the most popular subjects today: how to make money come to you. Are you sick and weary of working so hard just to make ends meet? Do you imagine living in a world where money just seems to come into your bank account? You're in the right spot, though, because we're going to provide you some effective methods and useful advice in this video to help you draw prosperity and money into your life. Keep reading, because we're going to teach you how to attract money to you if you're prepared to harness the power of plenty and attract the wealth you deserve. Now let's get going. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and wealth creation. Now let's dive into the world of abundance together. 1. Brainstorm. Brainstorming is a potent technique that may unleash creativity, ignite innovation, and produce groundbreaking solutions. It's not just a casual collection of thoughts. When it comes to money-making techniques, brainstorming is a great way to use a group's collective intelligence to produce amazing outcomes. Assemble a group of people, neighbors, relatives, co-workers, friends, and state your goal. The secret to conducting productive brainstorming sessions is to establish a welcoming and cooperative atmosphere where people may freely express their ideas without worrying about being judged. Creating a wide range of potential outcomes requires pushing people to consider novel and out-of-the-box concepts. There are never any terrible ideas during a brainstorming session. No matter how ridiculous or unrealistic a concept seems, it could nevertheless lead to fresh perspectives or unanticipated opportunities. Participants can liberate themselves from conventional thought patterns and unleash their full creative potential by embracing innovation and impracticality. 2. Create mind maps. Mind mapping is a useful tool for efficiently generating and organizing ideas. Start by focusing on the main topic, how you will get money, and defining important terms like employment, business, personal, and creative. Expand on these ideas by investigating related ones. A useful tool for strategic planning and decision-making is mind mapping. When it comes to creating a business plan, financial goals, or investing strategies, mind maps offer a comprehensive framework for arranging ideas and coordinating actions with goals. People can become more clear-headed, confidently map a course of action, and identify priorities by visualizing difficult information in an organized manner. 3. Go for a long walk. All it takes to start a life-changing adventure is to go for a long walk. Allow your thoughts to roam freely as you venture out into the world, unhindered by the responsibilities of everyday existence. Take in the splendor of the natural world and the cadence of your footsteps with every step. As your mind wanders, concepts could surface from your subconscious. Seize the chance to reflect and explore your creative side. A stroll provides creativity and clarity, in addition to being a kind of physical exercise. Now put on your shoes, take a deep breath of the fresh air, and start your journey. Accept the power of ambulation. Give yourself at least an hour to take a leisurely stroll during which you can let your thoughts roam. Set the goal to investigate concepts that generate riches and allow your subconscious mind to do its magic. Innovative ideas frequently arise during this period of mental rest. 4. Harness the power of sleep. Ask yourself, how can I make more money, right before you go to sleep? While you sleep, your subconscious mind keeps processing information, which may provide new insights when you wake up. Have a notepad by your bed so you can quickly jot down any fresh inspiration. Make the most of sleep's transformational power by taking use of its capacity to inspire originality and creativity. As you fall asleep, sow the seeds of curiosity in your thoughts by thinking about the problems and issues you want to solve. Your subconscious mind absorbs information and forms unexpected connections while you sleep, which frequently results in fresh discoveries when you wake up. To record the transient inspiration that appears in the minutes between sleep and consciousness, keep a notepad beside your bedside. Accept the rejuvenating effects of sleep as a source of ideas and solutions, letting your dreams to mold a better tomorrow. 5. Seek opportunities everywhere. Keep an eye out for chances all around you. Be vigilant whether you're on foot, in a car, watching TV, reading the news, or using the internet. Examine the routes that prosperous people have used to get there. Look into new trends and pinpoint market gaps. Keep adding worthy suggestions to your expanding list. Opportunities are waiting to be found by individuals with an open mind and a sharp eye in the most unlikely places. Keep your senses alert to the opportunities all around you, whether you're perusing the internet or taking a leisurely stroll through a busy metropolis. Pay close attention to what others are saying. Keep an eye out for new trends and look for chances in ordinary situations. Adopt an attitude of inquiry and curiosity, looking for new opportunities for development and progress all the time. Recall that chance frequently lurks in the shadows, demanding an astute eye to spot its potential. Remain alert, since the next great chance to change your life can be waiting around the corner. I appreciate you staying to the very end. Tell your network about this video to aid